मैं राकेश कुमार असवाल, सीनियर लेक्चरर, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज जयपुर, सिविल डिपार्टमेंट। स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैं आपको होमोजीनियस और कंपोजिट सेक्शन और वी कैन से इट स्टैटिकली इनडिटरमिनेट सिस्टम के बारे में बताऊंगा। What does it mean? Both these three things are same thing. Means when a body is comprises of two or more material, then this body is called composite section, homogeneous section, or statically indeterminate system. We have studied already that a body subjected to load, external load P, elongation is PL upon AE. When this body is comprises of two or more material, in that case we have to calculate the load shared by these two material first. So this problem cannot be solved by the principle of statics only, because we need one more equation. Please understand, if any body is made of two material, then we have to calculate first that how much load is shared by these two material. Suppose P is the total load. So if two material are 1 and 2, so the load, this P load, is shared by material 1 is equal to P1 and material 2 is equal to P2. So we have to calculate this P1 and P2. So this calculation of sharing load cannot be possible with the principle of statics only. How can we solve this? One more equation is required. So we take the example. This P is acting material 1 and material 2. So first equation is total load is shared by P1 material and P2 material. Length or same. External force is P. So first equation, when this material is homogeneous or composite, means mixed material. So elongation or contraction will be same. That means delta 1 is equal to delta 2. So we get one equation, second equation. This is second equation. First equation is P is equal to P1 plus P2, and second equation is delta 1 is equal to delta 2, means elongation or shortening are same in both the material. So we get this second equation. The next is delta 1 is equal to P1 L1 E1 E1, delta 2 is P2 L2 E2 E2. Here L1 is equal to L2. So we can now, in this second equation, we can calculate the value of P1 from equation this second in the form of P2. How? P1 is equal to E1 upon E2, E1 upon E2 and P2. This is value of P1 in the form of P2. Annual or L2 are same, that's why it is not taken here. So P. Now this value of P1 we put in equation first, we get the value of P2. How can? P is equal to value of P1 in the form of P2 A1 E1 upon A2 E2 P2 plus P2. So value of P2 is P1 upon A1 E1 upon A2 E2 plus 1. And finally we get the value of P2. After getting the value of P2 from equation first, we can get the value of P1. So two equations are required to calculate the shared load by the two materials, and because this cannot be solved by only principle of statics, that's why it is called indeterminate system. Now we take an example also. This question is asked in the examination last year, 2 or 3 years, that a brass bar having the diameter 25 mm, steel bar having the diameter 30 mm, and brass bar 25 mm diameter. The body is hanged by 3 bars, 2 bars of brass and 1 bar of steel. 120 kilonewtons is acting, force is acting downward. It is pulling these 3 bars downward. Fine. So we have to calculate the load. This 120 kilonewton is shared by brass and steel. How can we? We have done already. So delta B is equal to delta S. Delta B means elongation of brass is equal to elongation of steel. We get the value of final PB. This is equal to AB upon ES, EB upon ES, LS upon EB. Here length is different, so we take this LS upon LB, PS. The final value we get that load in brass is equal to load shared by steel multiplied by 0.463. Fine. Now the value of PS. How can we get this value of PS? PS, the 2 bars, ब्रास के दो बार्स है, एक ये और एक ये, तो टोटल लोड शेयर्ड बाय 3 bars, 2 brass bars and 1 steel bar. So that's why 2 PB plus PS and total load is 120. The value, we put the value of PB from this equation. This comes to 1.926. PS is equal to 120, and we get the value of PS. This is 62.3 kilonewton, and load shared by brass is equal to 28.84, and because the brass, 2 rods are of brass, that's why multiplied by total load of PS plus 2 BB must be equal to 120. We can get that value. So after getting this sharing value of brass and steel, we can get the elongation of this bar, this steel bar, this brass bar. I hope you have understood. Here in the question, ES upon EB is equal to 2, already given in the question. Area of brass is this, area of steel is this. So AB upon AS is value of 25 upon 30, 25 upon 30. AB upon ES, this is equal to given in the question, that's why 1/2. Length 800, length of steel 800, length of brass is 600, so final value is this. This is the composite section. How can we get the value of elongation? Elongation will be same. So how can we get the value of load shared by the different materials? That's why this system, this section is called composite section or homogeneous section, or I already make you understand about the indeterminate system, how it is indeterminate system. That's all. Thank you.